Okay, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to get into the final settings tab. And this is going to be maybe an underwhelming last video because for privacy reasons, I'm not going to be going into our settings tab because within settings essentially is the ability to add and remove users. And so when you click on that, you're going to see, a couple different things, and you can add and remove users. And you can see you can edit your users here as well. Um, and essentially, that's what you're going to be able to do there. Go in there, you can add your team members, you can add different people with different levels of permissions. And so again, I'm not going to go into that in this video, but that's essentially what you're going to find in there. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Thank you so much for being with me here in this section on Google Search Console, how to navigate it. As we continue, we're going to start looking at more advanced strategies on how to utilize this information, how to read the data, and how to make some theories about what it's telling us and how to optimize websites, different things like this. And furthermore, how to pull some SEO strategies from the content and from the data we see within Google Search Console. So I'll look forward to seeing you in the next section. Have a great day.